Hi everyone, so today I'm here with a bunch of my friends. I'm gonna tell them to say hi. I'm gonna tell them that I'm recording. I told them to say hi. I told them I'm recording. Hiya again, because a bunch of my friends were recording and yeah, they were just recording, blah blah blah. Lol. So in my next video, if I get enough jamagrams, I am going to be making a mail time. So please send me jamagrams. Oops, I'm gonna reset my cursor. Oopsie, wrong cursor. This is my baby cursor. Say hi. I'm gonna tell them to say hi. Darn. Okay, say hi. I'm just gonna dance. I don't know what else to do in that song. Lol, okay. So, guys, I did actually get scammed. Hiya, check out my stuff. Oh, yeah, go check out her stuff. I got scammed out of my magenta flower crown, and my friend, Willow Cookie Unicorn, she gave me this freedom flower crown, so at least I have something to cover my head, because until I had I did report them to AJHQ, and they did, she traded that, the quote-unquote glitch string for these, and gave me these 2 items, so yeah, go buddy her. Shout out to her. She's one of my best buddies. I'm sorry I didn't shout out to you the last time, Willow. Cool. Unicorn, whatever. I can't even say her name right. So I got scammed out of my magenta freedom flower crown. No, not freedom flower crown. My magenta flower crown, and she gave me a glitch, quote-unquote glitched ring, and it was not glitched. Let's just say that. She is so annoying. I'm mad at her. So go report her. Her name is me and 50. So let me just type her here. You and 50. You and 50, this is the person. She was online today. I've got her blocked and I reported her, so please go report her. It's so annoying. What did she just say? It's ready to be watched cry. Is it your same username? Meh account, no. IDK, what they're talking about. I mean, as in, I don't know what they're talking about. Guys, whatever. Tell me what? I'm just gonna tell them I'm recording. Salmon waffle, pretty hard to find. Cinnamon waffle. AJ, hi! What do you mean by AJ? Oh yeah! I remember like 5 years ago there was like some sort of AJHQ box. Yeah, I am too. Oh, she's recording, so shout out to, she's my neighbor, I'm gonna add her. Cutie Cat LPS. She's not accepting buddy requests. So yeah, I told you I did get scammed out of a Skylanders glitch stream. So I'm just gonna tell them be right back. Okay, let's go to Skylanders, and I'll show you the glitch tree, the real quote-unquote glitch string that I got scammed out of. So let me show you the ring that I got scammed. They gave me my second, quote-unquote, the second glitch ring they told me they would give me, but instead they gave me this ring. So never ever get confused. The glitch ring with this Skylanders glitch string, because this one has lighter spots as you can see here, and yeah. So yeah, you guys, unfortunately I don't have the second glitch string, but the second glitch string has like darker spots. Search it up on YouTube, there are a bunch of videos about it. So please don't get scammed out of those things. Report them not by the way, report them that second when they try to scam you, because that's an attempt scam. So yeah, report them for trying to scam you, or don't report them, whatever. But decline. Oh, I dropped my mic. I'm sorry. I dropped the mic. Lol. So next video I'm going to be doing painting blindfolded. So leave in the comments down below. Oh, I forgot. I meant to say next time, the video of after next time is gonna be the nail time video. So that was a quick information video that I got scammed, like an update video. So see you guys next time. Goodbye.